Alright, so right now I've got this lifted up in the air as high as I can get it, this GoPro, and we're looking at that Twisted Burger truck over there on top of that building. Probably a little bit shaky because it's really windy, but I'm talking into my voice recorder for you so you see that, so I hope you enjoy that. Alright, now you know I took that truck right over there, but right here you see this girl is walking a dog. You can see he's on his leash, a chain leash. You see he's got eyes and a tongue. See? There's his nose too, in fact. So there's the whole little statue walking down the street. Right over there's the truck again. And then look at this right here. This is where we came up here, because the Riverwalk is down there. We're above the Riverwalk. So check this out. Man, those are colorful, ain't they? Look at this. Looks almost like a tornado. Pretty cool. And then you see that's where we came down from. And you see that water down there? Well, you're going to be seeing that much closer in a minute. This is where we came up. You see there's even a little wooden bridge here with metal, of course. And the birds have been liking this place. But here, check this water out that's coming out of this rock. I'm going to be showing that to you in the next clip here, so stay tuned. Okay, here is the water coming out of the rock that I showed you from, we were up there, and you see the stained glass up from down here. But you see this water coming out, and you see it comes right on around, comes down underneath this little bridge, and then it flows right on down and out through there. This is the part I actually got the lower part of this when we were walking through. And if you look, there's a beautiful woman walking through there. And those are like big wind chimes, so when the wind blows through there, you'll get some music. But I'm going to take you underwater, and we'll be checking that out, okay? Let's go look at it. underneath the bridge here. Traffic above us. You can see all of these. Cow. I don't know what that is. And that, like maybe a big old church building or something. These stuff one phase. And then the big old snowy egret there. And on this side, there's that building. It's some kind of a restaurant. Looks like people eating out there. And nice little wooden fence makes it look like pretty old. And they even got a beach volleyball net over there. So yeah, right here we've got chalkboards that you can draw on apparently. And here's these things. I probably went through, I don't know. So you got these big things. Yeah, ain't no way to make really music on them. Then these are like bells here. Let's see what we got. Can't do too much, and then you got this here. Alright, so that's what's here. Let's go see. Well, yeah, on this side there, you see there's 3 more big chalkboards, so you draw drawing you want. People's even drawing on the ground here, you can see. So, alright, let's go a little further, see if we can find anything else. Okay, now, just to finish up my video, that's a little bit of downtown San Angelo there, but that's honestly not what I'm trying to show you, or even those trees there. But I want to surprise you with this, and this is going to be the closing of the video. Check this out. Yep, that's a big metal buff, daddy buff, mama buff, and baby buff. There's the whole buff family right here in this nice little rock garden. Show you the whole thing. So walk right through here, sideways and backwards. Pretty cool, huh? I seen that from across the road. We was actually getting ready to leave, but I thought, man, here's a great way to close this video. So hope you enjoyed this one. We're going to take on out of here and do some other stuff. I am going to walk some more of this trail on another part of it and see, you know, if I see something I'll make a video. If not, I won't. But hopefully you enjoyed this one. I can tell you we have enjoyed this so thoroughly. This has been truly fantastic. So take care of yourself, and I will see you on the next one.